Tired of cramming your car's interior with luggage and gear on every trip? Imagine having an extra 60 by 21 by 6 space to haul all your bulky items safely outside your vehicle. The Cargo Carrier Hitch Mount Basket Kit offers exactly that, a durable, spacious solution designed to carry heavy loads up to 500 pounds without breaking a sweat. What sets this carrier apart is its heavy-duty tubular construction and a tough black powder coat finish, ensuring it stays intact through every adventure. Whether you're hauling camping equipment, construction materials, or multiple suitcases, this single-piece, fully welded basket handles it all. Plus, it comes with a cargo net and hitch stabilizer to keep your load secure and eliminate rattling during long drives. One of the smartest features? The folding shank design. When you're not using the carrier, simply fold it up vertically to save space. No more bulky gear sticking out or getting in your way when parked. Installation is straightforward, too. The kit includes all mounting hardware and tie-down points, fitting universally on any 2-hitch receiver. Here's a real-world example. A traveler recently drove 800 miles each way to Texas using this carrier. Despite a minor hiccup with the stabilizer on the first leg, once properly installed, it completely eliminated noise and movement. The carrier held 2 large suitcases flat, with plenty of room for smaller items stacked on top. Paired with a waterproof, locking cargo bag, it turned into a secure, weatherproof storage solution. If you're looking to free up your vehicle's interior and haul more without hassle, this cargo carrier is worth a look. It's sturdy, reliable, and designed with your convenience in mind. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your travel setup and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with hauling your gear safely and efficiently. Ready to expand your vehicle's carrying capacity? The Cargo Carrier Hitch Mount Basket Kit delivers a spacious, durable platform that fits all 2 hitch receivers, supports up to 500 pounds, and folds away when not in use. Whether it's for your next road trip, construction job, or weekend camping, this carrier makes transporting bulky cargo easier and safer. Explore your options and see how much more you can bring along on your next journey.